5 Best Grout Cleaning Machine Reviews. Number 1. McCulloch MC1385 Deluxe Canister Steam Cleaner. We always look for a gadget that becomes our go-to daily tool. McCulloch from MC1385 is one such stuff that comes with 23 accessories to clean nearly every surface in and outside our home without producing any harsh chemicals. This tool is straightforward to assemble. You can check the manual to fix every part properly and then you are ready to go for any mission. Grease, grime, and mold-like stubborn stains will now become history as soon as you give it a go. The first thing that will catch your eye of this floor cleaning system is its large-sized around the 64 Oz water tank. It will heat up within 12 minutes and caters steam up to 120 minutes. The best part is this gadget not only removes the stains from a particular surface, but it also kills 99.9% germs from there. This device's maneuverability is worth praising as it lets you reach the toughest place to blast away the dirt and grime with its 18-foot long power cord and 10-foot steam base. Number 2. Oreck Commercial ORB550MC. Oreck brings the most powerful yet lightweight and versatile yet virtually low-maintenance cleaner to rediscover the hidden beauty of your floor. Though this professional-grade floor buffer is considered the best ceramic tile grout cleaning machine, you can use it on every floor type like wood, vinyl and hard floor. From polishing the hard floor to deep cleaning the carpet, Oreck makes everything done with its fingertip control situated at the top. The cleaning mechanism differs according to the surface. You should use the scrubbing method for hard floors except wood floors, stripping method for all types except for wood and stone. For doing all these, it comes with a series of accessories like pads, white polish, blue scrub, brown strip, beige marble, sand screens, brushes. Once you attach the proper accessory appropriately, you are ready to go with this. Number 3. Homitt Electric Spin Scrubber. Homitt is a renowned name in the housekeeping domain due to its various innovative and effective tools to free you from heavy household cleaning. While other cordless products like this take 7 hours to charge up and provide less than 45 minutes action, the Homitt takes only 4 hours for charging and caters 1.5 hours service at one go. This versatile gadget comes in handy for multiple use in different places like the bathroom, kitchen, and courtyard. For doing so, it comes with 4 types of detachable waterproof brush heads: round brush, flat brush, pointed corner and small flat brush. If we talk about the usage, the concave round brush is suitable for cleaning sink and bathtub, extra wide flat brush for window, glass shower doors, pointed corner brush for all the hard-to-reach surfaces, and with the small flat brush you can clean the stove-like places. Number 4. Dupray Neat Steam Cleaner. Are you looking for a compact, lightweight, portable cleaner? Then adopt this Dupray Neat Steam Cleaner without giving any heed to back and forth. This device not only cleans the surface, but it also works for degreasing and deodorizing the area. After unboxing, you will get to see a whitish 54 Oz large tank that can steam up to 50 minutes and wipe away heavy messes like a breeze. But before that, it takes only 7 minutes to heat up at 275 degrees Fahrenheit, 135 degrees Celsius. We find out of the box quality in this Dupray Neat Cleaner that it comes with an additional 18-piece kit to kill 99.9% bugs, virus, and bacteria from mattress, bathroom and kitchens. During this, you don't need to use any chemicals, only pouring the tap water in the little white box is enough to go for the mission. Number 5. BISSELL Spinwave Floor Mop and Cleaner. No matter which type of floor you've installed in your home, this high-tech cleaner from BISSELL will reduce your hurdle of scrubbing floors. The manufacturer brings a top-quality product with the noble aim to help a homeless pet from your purchase. Don't you like to be a part of this noble move? If we talk about the product, the first thing that separates it from the others is its on-demand spray feature. With this, you will be able to control the cleaning solution while cleaning. Another fact we love about this product while testing is it eliminates the stubborn dirt with its powerful performance without causing any noise pollution. However, this 11-pound lightweight gadget also possesses Spinwave built-in features along with swivel steering. It maneuvers to the congested places of furniture and baseboards and cleans away all types of specks of dirt.